I think this is high time also for Africa to shoulder its responsibility and to interfere in Eritrea.
You talked in your memorandum about the conspiracy of silence against the Eritrean revolution by the Organization of the African Unity.
Yes, it is a conspiracy of silence because now there is about 1 million displaced people inside Eritrea and about 500,000 of Eritreans in the neighboring countries. Ethiopia is launching unjust war against the Eritrean people, but we see that the OAU and the United Nations, they are aloof and distant from one of a problem which they have to tackle.
What specific role would you like to see the OAU play in Eritrea?
I think that the OAU should just push the Ethiopians to a peaceful and democratic solution in Eritrea. We are seeking self-determination. At the same time, the OAU should recognize the Eritrean Revolution as the sole representative of the Eritrean people. At the same time, we are for a referendum in Eritrea, supervised by the United Nations, OAU. This is very important because Eritrea was united with Ethiopia without the consent of the majority of the Eritrean people.